The AB320DF air boom is available in several different bin configurations. When equipped with multiple hoppers, this air boom can be easily adjusted to suit the various fertilizer products and blends that you will spread throughout the season. This video will go through the various bin configurations on the AB320DF and how to switch between them. Before changing the bin configuration, ensure that the hopper is empty and there is no residual fertilizer blocking the latches in the hopper from moving. The AB320 may be configured with a micro hopper designed to accurately apply micronutrients, cover crops, and granular herbicides while fertilizer is metered from the main hoppers. This configuration is referred to as the AB320DFM. At the back of the machine on both sides of the unit, there are switches near the chain motors which can be adjusted to open or close the latch in the micro hopper. When the switch is set to single bin, the micro hopper is opened to the main metering chains of the unit and allows for one product to fill the entire hopper. If the switch is set to dual bin, the product in the micro hopper will run to the micrometering rollers, allowing for separate rates between the micro rollers and the main metering chains. Be sure to set the micro hopper switches to the same setting on both the left and right-hand side of the machine. Also be sure that the seal for the micro hopper gate is clean to ensure a proper seal and avoid product from the micro hopper leaking in to the main hopper. This configuration provides 35 cubic feet of capacity for the micro hopper and 285 cubic feet of capacity for the main hopper. The dual bin configuration is referred to as the AB320DF2. This configuration features two bins with separate metering chains, allowing for individual rates to be set for each product. This configuration can be adjusted using the switch found at the front of the hopper, near the hopper ladder. When this switch is set towards the front of the machine, as shown, the front and rear hoppers will feature capacities of 195 and 125 cubic feet, respectively. If the switch is set towards the rear of the machine, the capacities for the front and rear hoppers will be 165 and 155 cubic feet, respectively. The AB320 may also be equipped with two main hoppers and a micro hopper. This configuration is referred to as the AB320DF2M. This allows for separate metering of three different products, providing more accurate fertilizer blends. With the micro hopper set to single bin, the AB320DF2M can be configured as a two-product machine and can be adjusted to achieve the same capacities as the AB320DF2. Setting the micro hopper switch to dual bin allows for the 35 cubic foot micro hopper to be used in conjunction with the two main hoppers. Setting the mid-hopper switch forward, as shown, allows for capacities of 195, 90, and 35 cubic feet for the front main hopper, rear main hopper, and micro hopper, respectively. Alternatively, setting the mid-hopper switch rearward, as shown, allows for capacities of 165, 120, and 35 cubic feet for the front main hopper, rear main hopper, and micro hopper, respectively. Overall, the AB320DF2M configuration allows for 4 unique hopper settings, providing you with unmatched versatility throughout the spreading season.